Welcome to video tutorial number 5. In this video tutorial, we will see how to import bulk Excel sheet. Yani, for example, if we have a lot of products in our shop, one by one we cannot add the products in this software. So we can upload the all the products through Excel sheet to this software. I will show you. We will go to the product master. In the product master, you will go to here this option. Click on that, you will find this kind of one template. Here you export, import, both options you will find it over here. And first of all, export this show all products. You can click on show all products, of course. You will see all the products, and you can click on reset also to get it removed. So first of all, let me export this template. Click on export template. I just click on, then close it. You can close it. You will see this, the template is exported over here. So what you can do? You can fill all the informations here. Informations here, see all the informations you can fill it in, and you can complete it. Even up to 5,000 product you can upload at a one time, and you can fill it. For example, I will show you product code. Here 123 like that you can mention. Like that. Here also continuous numbers 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 like that. Product name, for example, milk. And the product in any other language, for example, Arabic language, if you have something like that. Here category ID you can mention, and brand if you have, you can mention tax community, barcode. If some products, of course, there is a barcode, is inbuilt barcode, or you can create a continuous series barcode 5001, 5002, like that continuous barcode you can create and go. Any purchase unit, for example, kg, kilogram, sales unit, purchase cost, retail cost, wholesale cost, price. Reorder point means minimum stock, how much you want to keep it in the store. Storage type, where you are storing, warehouse or this one. And how many quantity pieces you have. And manufacturing date, that is not compulsory. Manufacturing date, expiry date is not compulsory. Color size is also not compulsory. Supplier you can mention, maximum minimum sales cost also you can mention, and everything you can fill it up, you can upload it. So one time everything will go inside this software. Here I will go to software back. In software, in the product master, in this same window, here import button is there. Once you fill it everything, click on import button, select your file and import it. That's it. So one time you can import all your products to this billing software. So that much easiest facility is there in this software. And here you can control the suppliers, everything. Supplier. Here you can add your supplier. Your already maybe you have some supplier. You will get all the informations like that. You will get it. So this facility also there in the software. And here the credit master, everything is there. So that one I will make it as a separate video on video tutorial number 6. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.